Hey there, let's compare the process for converting a PDF using the Save As function, first in Adobe Acrobat DC and then in Nuance Power PDF. Starting off with the file open in Adobe Acrobat DC, we'll go to File and then Save As. And then we'll click in Choose a different folder to select where we want to save the document. I'll save on the desktop. And then here we have the selection of what type of file we want to convert to. And I'll select a docx file. Then I'll just save to the desktop and wait for Adobe Acrobat DC to convert the document. And as you'll see, this part takes quite a bit longer than it does in Power PDF. But once it's done, it'll open up the document in Word, and then we can take a look at the same process over in Power PDF. So here's that same document in Power PDF, and we'll just go up to File, and then Save As. And then we'll select Browse to see where we want to save it. And we can select the file type we want to convert to right here, and just hit Save. And after a few seconds, your document will be converted, and it'll open up in Word. It's that easy.